guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Black Forest cupcakes. Before I get started, if you guys want to see more cooking and baking related videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell. Anyways, now let's get started. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start stiffing the dry ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to stiff is some flour. And if you have these lumps, you can just crush them up and just with that. Next thing I'm gonna stiff is some cocoa powder. The next thing I'm gonna be stiffing is some baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna add is some white sugar. Give this a mix. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by combining the wet ingredients. So I'm going to add some milk. Two eggs. I'm going to crack 2 eggs. Two. Now the next thing I'm going to add is some melted butter. And give this a mix. Okay guys, so now I'm going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'm going to let it bake for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so now we're going to make the filling. So the first thing I'm going to put is some cherries. I did take the seeds out. You do need to actually take the seeds. So if you guys have like a pitter that can just take the seeds, you do use that. Or just cut it with a knife. So I'm going to put some cornstarch. And now I'm going to add the sugar. And now I'm going to add some water. Okay guys, so do put the heat on slow and just let the mixture like kind of thicken up, and so also the cherries like flavor comes out. So just let it cook for a few minutes. Keep an eye on them. We don't want them to burn or anything, so yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start making the buttercream icing. So the first thing I'm going to be adding is some butter. And I am going to let this heat for at least 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some powdered sugar. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Not all of it, just a little bit. That's it. And I'm going to give this a mix. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Okay guys, so I did cut holes in the cupcakes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the cherry filling in there. Okay guys, so now I'm going to pipe the buttercream on. I'm going to start from the outside and work my way in. Okay guys, so the final step is adding the toppings. So I'm going to add some chocolate shavings. Sprinkle them on. Okay guys, so the final step is adding the toppings. So I'm going to add some chocolate shavings. Sprinkle them on. Okay guys, so the last thing is to put a cherry on the top. Woo! That's so cute. And do this for all of them. Ugh.